Okay, Owen, how many times have you been to BIBA?
That's a really good question, and one which I'm going to struggle to answer, but probably about 15 times, I want to say, something like that.
Fabulous. And
Yeah.
tell me what you think about today's BIBA.
I think today's BIBA's got a load of great energy, to be honest. I was just talking to the BIBA team about how you come into BIBA and it's such a positive environment. Lots of people wanting to do business, lots of people wanting to chat, catch up, and it's a great combination of meeting people and friends you've worked with over the years and doing great business together.
Absolutely. And the stand's looking incredible. Tell me a bit about being an exhibitor at BIBA.
Yeah, it's quite cool to be an exhibitor, and at Premium Credit we've gone for a little bit more of a colourful stand this year, as you'll see in the background. We work with a lot of the industry. We've taken a bigger stand this year than we have before, we're proud to partner with BIBA, with the accredited premium finance provider for BIBA, and we're here in force today.
And I can see, and it looks like a lot of fun on the stand. Seems to be having a lot of good conversations and.
Yeah, there's a great buzz about it, and it always helps. We're growing really fast. There's lots of consumers and SMEs and corporates that need our products at the moment. They need the cash flow in their business, in their bank accounts, and so it's a great opportunity for brokers, for insurers to offer the products and serve the customers.
Absolutely, and you guys have just released your index, haven't you, about how the SME community buy insurance?
Yes.
Tell me a bit about it.
Yeah, well, we're seeing as a result of cost of living and a result of supply chain and energy prices going up, we're seeing SMEs move more towards credit. So now 51% of SMEs use some form of credit to pay for their insurance, and that's a mixture of premium finance, overdraft facilities and credit cards. And we're also seeing consumers turn towards credit more. So 38% have borrowed more in their last insurance renewal, and there's a couple of really key watch outs for the brokers and insurers out there. One, we want to make sure that all of the customers get the cover that they need rather than feeling like they need to cut back. And so our products is a really good way of bridging that gap. And also we're seeing a trend where there is a bit more pressure on consumers, there is a bit more pressure on businesses, particularly small businesses, with the cost of living crisis, with difficult economic conditions. And whilst there's some positivity coming through in terms of the outlook, like our research says lots of people are feeling more positive about the future, they have struggled over the last 12 months, and we as an industry need to help them.
And I think it's quite interesting. I had never thought about buying insurance on credit, so actually it's interesting that your research is showing more and more people turning towards that.
Yeah, people are getting more comfortable with it, and whilst ours is a credit product, people tend to think of it more of a cash flow. And so our job in Premium Credit and what we're trying to do is we talk about 100% offer. So we want 100% of customers, personal and commercial, to be offered the product, to be offered the opportunity to pay in monthly instalments, so that they've got the option, and then they can decide how they want to pay. And we get some customers that use it occasionally, because there might be something going on in their own lives or own business, and we get some customers that use it all the time.
Fabulous. Well, tell me, what are you expecting from the next 24 hours, and has it met expectations so far?
I'm expecting my knees to hurt quite a lot, and having missed lunch and not having dinner plans. I've got lots of drinks events to go to this evening. It's going to be a tiring. Knees and head are going to hurt a little bit, but that's all part of the BIBA experience. And actually, it's great to catch up with so many people. I've worked with a lot of people in the industry, a lot of really good people in the industry, and it's great to see them all here. So yeah, expecting lots more buzz. As you can see, Sands getting more and more busy behind. Lots of buzz, but yeah, knees and head hurting.
Have you just done the London Marathon?
I have, yes.
How was it?
It was everything that you expect the London Marathon to be. The atmosphere and support is amazing, and that kind of gets you through it, but it's really tough, particularly for a man of my size. But the most important thing is, and Adam Morgan and I did it from Premium Credit, I raised £7,500 for the Alzheimer's Society and Insurance United Against Dementia. Adam raised thousands of pounds as well, so I think we're over 14 grand in terms of raising money. So
huge, yeah. Congratulations all round. Enjoy the rest of BIBA, and thank you.
Thank you very much.